Standard 7th. Subject General Science. Chapter 1. The Living World, Adaptations and Classification. Module 2. We will begin with adaptation in plants of snowy regions. Plants of snowy regions mainly include conifers. The trees of these regions have conical shape and needle-like leaves. Their branches are flexible. The conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree. The trees have thick bark. The thick bark helps to withstand the snow. Now, let's study adaptation in plants of forest regions. All the plants in the forest compete with each other. Thus, trees grow tall to capture the sunlight. A vast variety of plants, like trees, herbs, and shrubs, are seen in the forest. Climbers grow to a great height with the support of trees. The climbers have adapted by having spring-like tendrils with which they seek support from host tree. Now let's move further. Our next topic is adaptation in grassland plants. Variety of bushes and grasses are seen in grasslands. Vast meadows are found in plains as well as hilly areas. Soil erosion here is prevented by fibrous roots present in the grasses. Very tall grasses are seen in the equatorial region. Various types of large animals take shelter in these grasses. Very short grasses grow in cold regions. Small animals like rabbits are seen in these grasses. Our next topic is adaptation for ingestion of food in plants. Most of the plants are anchored to the ground and are autotrophic. However, some plants are parasitic plants. Let's understand what is meant by parasitic plant. Parasitic plant takes ready-made food from the host plant. Here, what does host plant mean? The plant on which the parasitic plant climbs for food is called host plant. The best example of parasitic plant is Cuscuta. Observe the first picture carefully. What did you see? Cuscuta is a yellow wire-like stem. It is a leafless plant. Thus, Cuscuta cannot perform the process of photosynthesis. That's why it takes ready-made food from the plant on which it is climbing. Cuscuta shows a special feature, that is presence of hostoria. Hostoria are nothing but sucking roots. These roots penetrate deep into the host plant and absorb nutrition for the Cuscuta. Let's study some adaptations of fungi. Fungi cannot perform photosynthesis as they lack chlorophyll pigment. They obtain their food from starchy foodstuffs like bread or bhakri. Root-like fibers are present in them for absorption of food. Let us now study about insectivorous plants. Certain plants like Drosera, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant consume insects to fulfill their need for nitrogen. These plants are called insectivorous plants as they grow in nitrogen deficient soil. These plants have structural adaptations to attract insects and hold them captive.